gonna lie, this is the last thing I expected to see coming here to South Africa. I'm sorry.
I gave the wrong country snow. Because what do you mean? Do you wanna build a witchcraft? This is what we wanted. This is fine.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is the last thing I expected to see coming here to South Africa. I'm sorry. I was just in like 90-degree weather looking at lions the other day, and now this? What? It's so pretty! I haven't seen snow in so long. Wow. Whoa. Yeah! Oh my gosh, wow. And then look at this way. We're like near Drakensberg. Guys, you told me to go to the Drakensberg.
God gave the wrong country snow. Because what do you mean? But vote. Do you wanna build a witchcraft? This is what we wanted. This is fine. And then you guys do this. Y'all are scary.
As beautiful as this looks, it was a total nightmare for many of us last night. Today's the 1st of December, and many people are waking up to their properties destroyed by the horrible hailstorm last night in Pretoria. Some people might say sleet, some people might say hailstone. I'm not in the mood of arguing with anybody, but all I want to say is that this was scary. This was loud. This was violent. And as much as it looks beautiful and as much as everybody's out taking pictures and videos about it, but people's properties were destroyed. And this is how we are going into the festive season this year, 2025 December. So yeah, I hope everybody's so safe. Everybody arrived home safe last night, people that were out. Yeah, anyway, happy December.
I I eat guys. Come on, we're not saying to the mouth, the matter, guys.
Die om te wys nie. Wys tot hier.
Hayi ngeke ukrama utsileng bana. Aka butsima ga wasata klar. Raspa di golf ba loela go skondiri. Hayi ukrama utsileng wasata klar. Aka le butsima mona ke boy te felo ya go bohle. Go be that creates le foro mo metsi a khona tsamaya mo teng. Ya. Fuck.
Nalemasa. No, this place is destroyed. This used to be Makusi. I'm not going to look further.